So like this, December don't reach. No be this year where I promise my family say I go return with big convoy. Now they finish like this. Anyway, as I no gather money, I still get life. Hope day. Some people where me and them start this year. Some of them now they hospital. Some they mortuary. Some they don't even bury them. Once I reach my family house this December, they ask me, what do you achieve? I just tell them that I'm still alive, in good health. Glory be to God. December no dey finish. Next year we still try again. What a smart move. So help me God.
I am not sure this Christmas I will be traveling because the transport fare is high. I can't risk it. I just did suffer since this year, since President Nanoche. I cannot risk it anymore. If my father flashed me yesterday, I flash him back. Yeah! My mother conquer me, tell me my son, hello. Masia mommy, I got him a lot at all. Because if I did go very hard. The only thing I'm really happy is that I am single. I am not in any relationship. Is X-Man.
Continue.
So I won't be buying wig or any other thing for a woman who I love most.
You be mumu.
Amen. Come.